Hi friends, welcome back to my channel, Complete Health and Fitness. Today I will discuss the most common problem in our bodies, which is fat. Are you looking for a quick, effective fat-burning workout that fits into your busy schedule? This 10-minute fat burn workout is designed to help you burn calories, boost metabolism, and improve overall fitness. Anytime, anywhere, with no equipment needed. Whether you're at home, in a hotel room, at the park, or even at the office, this full-body workout targets belly fat, thighs, arms, and overall body fat using simple but powerful bodyweight movements. What makes this workout effective? This routine combines high-intensity movements, cardio plus strength exercises, fat-burning intervals, beginner-friendly modifications. Even just 10 minutes can help kickstart fat loss when done consistently. What you'll get in this 10-minute workout: full body fat burn, increased heart rate and calorie burn, improved stamina and endurance. No gym, no equipment. Suitable for beginners and advanced, can be done daily. Perfect for busy professionals, students, beginners starting fitness, home workout lovers, weight loss journeys, workout structure, sample, warm-up movements, fat-burning cardio exercises, core and lower body activation, upper body toning, short rest intervals, cool down and breathing. Tip: repeat this workout 2 to 3 times a day for faster results. Best results tips: stay hydrated. Follow a balanced, high-protein diet. Sleep at least 7 to 8 hours. Be consistent 5 to 6 days per week. Combine with walking or stretching. Fat loss is a process, not magic. Consistency is key. Disclaimer: this workout is for general fitness purposes. If you have any medical condition, injury, or health concern, consult your doctor before starting any exercise routine. Please support this channel. If you enjoyed this workout, like the video, subscribe for daily fitness content, share with friends and family, comment your workout experience. Your support helps us create more free, effective fitness workouts.